our show is probably one of the coolest food shows that you'll ever see. We really pay attention to the food. We want to make sure that we're giving delicious recipes. I made some stuffed bell peppers. I do have some chicken right here, some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I have some jasmine rice with garlic and olive oil that's already been cooked. I have 2 orange bell peppers, and the reason that we chose orange is because we want to make them almost like pumpkins. If y'all can carve really good, then it's gonna really be really cool when you do this for Halloween. And I got some already prepared. Ooh. What I did was I seasoned this chicken really good with my different spices, my spice blend. I mixed that in with some onion, bell pepper, the rice, cheese, and some fire roasted diced tomatoes. Seasoned all that up, and then I stuffed it on that and then topped it with some more cheese. So now we're gonna pull it out the oven and see what it looks like. And before I go to the kitchen, listen, you got to coordinate. You got to coordinate. Look at me, soldier. I got to coordinate. I got the LV. This is not Louis Vuitton. This is not real. This is for Las Vegas. I got the socks. Got the pink shorts. The mushroom shirt. You got to coordinate. But we're also one of the coolest food shows out. You know, we have a lot of humor.
Dip my strawberry into my chocolate.
Dip.
Dip, dip, dip. When I dip, you dip, we dip. All right.
Ooh,
hey.
you get yours, then I get mine. We can dip on it, bro. The relationship talk.
Now, would a lady be more interested in that or a batch of flowers? Or do I got to get both? Because that's how y'all really.
First of all, you need a gift card, flowers, and a dessert. I don't want. What are you talking about? Some choose between the two or both?
I wasn't gonna ask them to choose. I'm just bringing one.
No, you should bring all 3.
Oh.
I don't. What kind of minute? Your friends, they probably dogs, y'all. Don't do it. I like everything. You gotta take me to the restaurant.
Dogs.
Oh, cheap dogs.
For us, you know, we really just want to, you know, say thank you to everybody who's watching our show, to everybody who's supporting our show. Also, we have a great crew. Our crew is one of the best, from Jerome Fleming to Dia Hun to Moses Blue to Chris Marsh on the music, and Devin Walker on video as well. We just really have a great crew. Andrew Smith on the editing. So follow Edit, Eat and Drink TV on Instagram and Facebook, and continue to watch Eat, Drink, and Handle Your Business.